Typically, an event like this, I'd take the opportunity to explain why I believe Toronto Film School is such an exceptional institution. I'd refer to our long list of successful alumni. I'd highlight the state-of-the-art facilities and equipment we have to offer. And I'd discuss, likely at length, our school's deep connectivity to the creative industries. However, today, I'll let this incredible event speak for itself and the outstanding work of our students. All around the world, new filmmaking hubs are emerging. And guess what? Toronto is leading the way. The future of the creative industries is already in your hands.